Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to repair PowerPoint found a problem with content in an attempt to repair the presentation. Chapter 1. How to fix PowerPoint found a problem with content in an attempt to repair the presentation disabling protected view. To start, open PowerPoint. After that, click on Options. Here, select the option Trust Center, then click on Trust Center Settings. Then go to the Protected View section. In it, uncheck all the available boxes. Click OK and you can close the wizard. Chapter 2. How to fix PowerPoint found a problem with content in an attempt to repair the presentation using Trusted List. To get started, open PowerPoint, then in File, click on Options. After that, click on the option Trust Center, then click on Trust Center Settings. In this window, go to the Trusted Locations section. You are going to click on Add New Location, select the folder using the Browse option and click on OK. Apply the changes. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Chapter 3. How to fix PowerPoint found a problem with content in an attempt to repair the presentation with content moving file. To start, open File Explorer, then select the PowerPoint file and click Cut. Now go to the new location and click Paste. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.